Hey Nancy, this is Eddie. Oh, sorry, I don't need this for the video. My name Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We are in the process of inspection. You called us out about some fascia that's falling off your home. In the back here, I'm noticing that some soffits are sagging. And then by your garage, they actually honestly look like an extremely easy fix. At this point, what we can do is put a nice white screw on the outside to hold that in place, and it won't fall out again in that place, and you'll be good to go. Otherwise, if that's not the area you're looking for, we can just disassemble it and restaple it all together. I don't think it's worth it to do all of that. I think that if I was just to come here and fit it back in place and put a couple of screws in place, the problem for us. So very affordable, very easy fix. I'll send you a couple of packages to choose from down below. Let me know what works best for you. My name is Eddie, owner operator. Any questions you have about our service or how we're going to go about doing this, don't hesitate to give me a call on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Look forward to working with you. Thank you.